Well, here are Antrim level crossing in County Antrim, Newton Abbey's 2-8. Bang, bang on that side. Bang, bang. That barrier there was the only one that didn't bang. Time now is 13:10 on Tuesday the 2nd of March 2021, and this is for your 1314 Northern Ireland Railway service from Derry London Derry to Great Victoria Street. Here we go. Barrier boxes in the way. I can't see it yet, but there's a green signal. Where is this train? Oh, it's that way. Yeah. Silly me. Oh, finally a 3000 class. Alright. It is. I mean, we've got 307. to Great Victoria Street, and up they go. See you guys in the next video.